All right, Yanni, Halloween's coming.
Okay.
And what does the ghost do?
What's that?
And do the monster? And do the witch? And what does the Pumpkin King do?
You say boogie boogity.
Boogie boogity?
Yeah.
Are you ready to do Halloween?
Yeah.
And what do you say when you go trick-or-treating?
I want to say the Pumpkin King.
You're going to say the Pumpkin King? No, you got to say trick-or-treat.
I say Mama feet. Hot the feet.
All right, say trick-or-treat.
Trick or treat. I want to smell my feet.
Smell your feet?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see you smell your feet.
Smell my feet. Smell your feet.
Give me something good to eat.
Give me something good to eat.
You're silly. And what are you going to be for Halloween?
I want to be the wolf.
You're going to be a wolf?
Yeah.
No, you're going to be a witch.
I want to be a witch.
And what are you going to say when you're the witch?
I want to say, ah!
All right. Say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.